finding someone.
Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you my fall pamper routine. I love the fall because it's so cozy, and I love to pamper myself during the fall because it's just the most coziest time of the year to me, and I just really enjoy relaxing. So to start off my routine, I always change out of my uncomfortable clothes, and just for today I decided to take a bath using a Lush bath bomb. And whenever I'm really pampering myself, when I shower, I also like to shave, and I like to use EOS shaving cream, and I also like to use a sugar scrub and put on lotion. And then I like to change into the comfiest clothes because I don't know if it's just me, but my favorite thing about the fall is how comfy the clothes are and just being wrapped in a blanket. It's literally the best part. So that's definitely the first thing I do. So after I changed into my nice comfy fall sweatshirt and pajama pants and comfy slippers, I headed downstairs to check on my cookies that I was making because in the fall I feel like it's amazing to make a nice snack like hot cocoa and cookies or something just warm to go along with your fall comfy mood. Then I took off my makeup, and I always like to take care of my skin, but especially on a pamper night, especially in the fall, doing a face mask while watching a movie, eating a snack, it's like the best thing ever. Face mask, I went to go check on my cookies and they were done, so I let those cool, and while they were cooling off I decided to make some hot cocoa. So I used some Starbucks mix and some water and milk to make sure it was extra creamy and delicious, and then I took my hot cocoa and cookies upstairs and was ready to eat them. So one thing that I love to do in the fall is to light candles. I've literally been lighting this pumpkin spice one every day for like a couple hours each day because it smells so good and it makes my room all nice and warm and puts me in the fall mood. So while I was waiting for my face mask to be completely done drying, I went on my phone for a couple of minutes, and I try not to go on my phone a ton when I'm having a pampering night and stay off of it and just watch a movie instead, but I still do get distracted and go on it. I then went into my bathroom to take off my face mask after it was done, and I put on my fall playlist because it's the best thing ever. It's so fall-y. I don't even know how else to describe it but fall-y, but I listen to that like 10 times a day, so stay tuned for my fall playlist video coming out soon. The next thing I did is put on a movie. I was looking on Netflix, but I didn't see anything I wanted to watch, and so I decided to go to Disney Channel and watch a Halloween movie. So I watched Twitches. I definitely like to watch a good movie in the fall, especially if it's before Halloween. A good Halloween movie, eat my cookies, drink my cocoa, sit in a blanket. It's the perfect way to pamper yourself because it's literally the most relaxing thing you could be doing. Halfway through the movie, after I ate my snack, I decided to put on a Crest whitening strip on my teeth to whiten them because that's one way that I like to pamper myself. It's really easy to do and you don't have to actually put any effort into it, but your teeth always come out looking whiter, so that's a good thing. The rest of the night, I just continued to watch my movie, and then I went back into my bathroom, put on my playlist again like I usually do, and then I just did my skincare routine. I just do a cleanser, a moisturizer, and Mario Badescu drying lotion. I also just brush my teeth and brush my hair. Once I got all ready for bed and was nice and pampered and relaxed, I just went on my phone, continued to watch my movie, and relaxed until I fell asleep. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Missing someone